Ngayon mo naman na-realize. Grabe ka, Piang!
Oh my!
I've fallen for you. Finally, my heart gave in and I'm falling in love.
Oh, pero magandang maglinis. Best timing maglinis ng tenga. Pagka kakatapos mo lang maligo. Kasi basa yung loob. Kasi pag nagsiseryoso ako, magseryoso ka?
Kasi hindi naman kaseryoso yung pagmumukha mo.
Malo ka hakan.
What is this I'm feeling? I just can't explain. When you're near, I'm just not the same. I try to hide it, I try not to show it. It's crazy. How could
Ngayon mo naman na-realize. Grabe ka, Piang!
Oh my!
I've fallen for you. Finally, my heart gave in and I'm falling in love.
Bakit ganito yung tenga ko? Parang nabingi sa kabila? Oo. Sige po na yung bata.
And I'm falling in love. I finally how it feels when you said you love.
Ano ba? Totoo ba?
Aray!
Talaga? Hindi ako nag-joke na tenga ko. Sipunin ka ata. Basta ganun. Ha? Ayun.